education. I'm your instructor, Cynthia Kennedy. In the last presentation or tutorial, we talked about how to set up group video contacts for group video conferencing. In this particular tutorial, we're going to talk about ways to use group video conferencing in education. One of the ways that you can use group video conferencing in education is that you can connect students with authors, storytellers, and movie directors. If your class is working on a particular book, a particular story or theme, you can actually get authors, storytellers, or a movie director to visit your classroom and speak with your students, and your students can ask them questions. You can also collaborate lectures with museum curators for history. If you have a history class or studying a historical subject, you can actually Skype a museum curator or group of curators into your classroom so that you can enhance that lesson for your students. A great way to use Skype is to study foreign languages from native speakers. You can connect with a classroom in Peru, you can connect with a classroom in Spain, or if you're studying French, you can connect with a classroom in France or across town, Paris or whatever, and your students can practice their foreign language skills with those particular native speakers. Excellent way to use Skype for education. Another thing you can do is students can present a performance for others. You can you can view a performance. Your students can actually present a performance to a group of people that may not have been able to attend a showing or a play or something like that, and the students will be really excited to know that they are actually able to do their performance in front of others and they can see them via video. You can allow tour guides to conduct virtual field trips. With the budget cuts and schools scaling back on trips, you can actually create a situation where you have tour guides from a zoo or wherever museum or a certain science museum or science function actually conduct a virtual field trip where they can take you through the facility or talk to your students about certain parts that they're experts in. You can have foreign culture lessons. You can actually go into the home of someone in Germany, someone in Scotland, someone in Africa, and have those individuals talk about their culture. Students can see the way they live, the things they do as they work day to day, and see how those cultures differ from the United States. You can collaborate with other teachers on lessons, which is a great way to use Skype, and you can also do professional development activities for staff. This is something that is particularly important as we see our education systems trimming down the budget. You can have a professional development activity take place where you can save money from traveling and have those experts come into your classroom for educating your staff members and teachers. Well, this concludes our uses for group video conferencing in education. I hope you enjoyed, and please join us on our next slide, which will tutorial, which will be about resources to use to connect with others in Skype. Thank you.